Fonsu's yummy chessboard sandwich. Ingredients: 1 slice white bread, 1 slice wholemeal or brown bread, 1 small carrot washed and peeled, 3 tablespoons ricotta, 1 tablespoon milk, 1 small lettuce leaf chopped. You will also need 1 chopping board, 1 knife, a grater, 1 small bowl, 1 tablespoon, 1 fork, and a plate. Method: put the slices of bread on a chopping board. Chop off the crusts. Put these in a plastic bag. Grate the carrot and put it in a small bowl. Watch your fingers. Add the ricotta and the milk. Mash everything together. Take the slice of white bread and spread the ricotta and carrot paste on it. Cover with the wholemeal bread slice and press down gently. Put the sandwich on a plate. Cut the sandwich in thirds across and in thirds down. Flip over squares 2, 4, 6, and 8 to get a chessboard design. Make a border around the sandwich with chopped lettuce leaves. Your chessboard sandwich is ready. By the way, do you remember those bread crusts we chopped off? Toast them and eat them on their own as a crunchy snack, or have them with a dip.